Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you everything you need to know about Ethos Network and how to set up your account as a new user. And also, if you are serious and want to get an Ethos invite, stay with me till the end. I'm going to be telling you what you need to do to get one. So let's get into it. So the first thing you need to do is to get invited on Ethos Network, you'll be needing your EVM wallet. So the person that wants to invite you will request your EVM wallet. So once you are invited, you will proceed to connect your Ethos account to the same wallet that you were invited with. Then connect, then sign to verify. So now your account is connected. The next thing you need to do is switch your network to base chain, then click continue, then evaluate, click on evaluate, then click on continue, then accept invite, click on accept, then transaction confirmed, then connect connect socials, then click on connect, then proceed to connect your X account, then click connect. You will be redirected to authorize your X account, then authorize app. Good. Then to take you back to the same page, verifying. Okay, now connected to your Twitter. Then you proceed to Discord, connect. Just hold on. We will still come back to this X to complete the connection. Then we'll proceed to this page to authorize our Discord. Click on authorize. Then it will redirect us back to the Ethos site. Then verifying connection, successfully connected to Discord. Then the next thing is Telegram. Then click connect. Hold on. It's actually okay, connect. Then verifying connection, successfully connected to Telegram. Then we'll proceed to Pacaster. Hold on. Okay, let's go and approve our X. You click on continue. Then you will sign transaction in your wallet. You need to pay some fee with your on that base chain. So make sure you have some base in your wallet to be able to approve the transaction. So now it's transaction is confirmed. Then you can see our Twitter is connected. Then we'll proceed to Discord, click on continue, then sign transaction in your wallet, then hold on. Then transaction is hold on. Transaction is confirmed. Then we'll move to Farcaster. So under Forecaster, you can see copy this link and paste into a phone browser to open the link on Forecaster app. So I'll proceed to do that, then continue to link my account to my Ethos. Then transaction is pending, now is confirmed. So now that it's confirmed, the next thing is to approve the transaction. Click on continue. So proceed with your daily task. You will see up here daily task. Then you either upvote or downvote, or you stay neutral, or people's review. So these are your daily tasks. You will see up to 10 reviews you need to actually look into. So if you want to upvote, you click on upvote and you need some base gas fee to pay. Then if you stay neutral, you won't be paying anything. If you downvote, you also need to pay a little transaction fee to be able to approve that. So now that I want to approve this, upvote this person, once I click on upvote, I'll approve transaction in my wallet, and that's all. Then I'll go to this settings, click on socials. You can see all your socials are actually connected. Then notifications, I actually enabled all the notifications here. Click on enable. Hold on. Push notification. So as for me, I clicked on enable. So you can decide to do otherwise. So the next thing you can check is the, hold on. Next thing you can check is the wallet. The Ethereum wallet is connected, Smart Wallet connected, and Solana is coming soon. So now, if you want to review someone on Ethos, you just have to search the person's name. When you search the person's name, let's assume this person that actually referred me, I want to review him. Now this is his profile. I'll click on review. Then when I click on review, you proceed to either be positive. If you want to review a positive, if you want to review something positive about him, then you click on positive. If you want to review, I will come back to this review. Hold on, let's go to the daily task section so that I can explain it very well. Click on the daily task. Then if you want to upvote, you read what the person actually, these are people's review. So when you read the review, if you are okay with it, then you upvote. If you're not okay with it, then you downvote. Then if you upvote, you will need some base fee, you will need some gas fee to pay for the upvote, then approve in your wallet, then transaction will be succeeded. So if you stay neutral, you won't be paying anything. Then if you actually downvote, you also be paying for it. So you have to review until you complete the 10 tasks that will be given to you daily. You can see I've completed my own. And the more you complete this task, the more XP you gather. So when you get to profile section, you click on it, then you will see everything that impacts your score here. So let's scroll down. Scroll down, you can see them. So you can actually check them out on your own. So you actually need to get reputable. So try to get positive reviews. So you can actually review others. You can see this is review impact, vouch Ethereum, reputable reputation market. You can see s.com age, that is the age of your account, then manual vouch bonus. So everything here actually impacts your score on Ethos Network. So if you actually want to review somebody on this Ethos Network, you click on this search place, then search the person that you want to review. So let's assume I want to review the person that referred me. Let me talk about this. Let me bring out the person's profile. So I'll search his name, then this is his page. Then I'll proceed to click on, because I've reviewed him before, I won't actually be doing anything here. I've reviewed him before, so I can review. So I can proceed to, if I want to vouch for him, I'll just click on vouch, then proceed to type what I want. But let me search for another person I've not actually reviewed before that I know. Then let me search for someone else. Then let's proceed with this person. So let's allow the dashboard to actually open. Now you can see this person was. If I want to review him, the first thing I need to do is to click on review. You can see. So once you click on review, you allow it to open. So once you click on review, the review page will open. So if you want to say something good about him, you click on, you want to say something negative about him, you click on negative. You want to say positive, you click on positive before typing. Then if you want to stay neutral, you can actually stay neutral. Then put the, hold on, let me try to connect my wallet. Then click on connect wallet. Then I'll proceed in my wallet. So if I want to, hold on, if I want to review this person, when I click on review and I click on positive, I will put the title, then proceed with my review. Hold on, let me do it so you can see. Then you can see when you click on positive, it make sure it's green. Then if you click on neutral, make sure it's black. Then if you click on negative, make sure it's red before you proceed and type. Then before you now click on publish, then you'll be needing a gas fee to make this transaction. So you can also, the next thing is upvote and downvote. So if you want to upvote over someone on this Ethos network, you can actually do so. So to upvote for someone, all you need to do is, I've actually told you how to upvote and downvote. from the daily task section. So I don't think I will be repeating that again. But if you see any review that you agree with, you can decide to upvote. Then anyone you don't agree with, you can decide to downvote. You can see them here. So you can, if you see any review or anything you agree with, you click on upvote. You can see this one, crypto gives out solid crypto info. So if you agree with it, you upvote, and to upvote you will need to pay some gas fee. Then to downvote, the same thing. So that is all for upvote and downvote. So it's actually part of the task you need to be doing here to actually get repeatable. So the next thing you need to do here is, let's go back to our profile section. So the next, when you get to your profile, is contribute. So you contribute by upvoting other people's profile. So it's actually the same thing with what I've explained before. So the next is leaderboard. When you get to leaderboard, you can see you can see the leaderboard, who has the most XP and also who is the most reputable. So you can also see the vouch section. Hold on. This is the leaderboard. So you can see the people that are reputable. You can see neutral, known people, established, reputable. So all these actually matter. You can see the highest on the leaderboard. So the next thing we need to look out here is the vouch section. So let's go back to our profile. Hold on. Let's go back to the profile section. So the next section we need to check is the vouchers. So you can actually vouch for someone at any time, and you feel free, and anytime you feel that they are not repeatable again to you, you can actually unvouch. So I've not actually vouched for anybody before, so that's why you can see 000 here. So now the next one is the invite. You can see the invite here. You can be invited to use Ethos, and the invite is very hard to get. So when you invite someone, you are bounded to them for a period of 90 days. So if they are not serious and their score goes down, your own as the referrer will also go down too. So that's why the few people with invite are scared to just give it out to anyhow people that are not serious. But actually, if you need invite code, getting invite is very hard. But I have a friend who needs two people to give invite, but he only needs serious, genuine people who can be serious when he invites them. So I'll be dropping the tweet he made on his X account in the description of this video. So comment I need Ethos, then follow through the link to his X account. I wish you all the best. I just pray you get link. So he said he will be picking that randomly. So I wish you all the best. Just know it's hard to get one, but if you're actually lucky to get one, make sure you are serious and start contributing. Contribute either positive, negative, or you stay neutral. Also review for people you trust, and also vouch for people you trust. They will also do that. They will also vouch for you. So if you actually enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more crypto tips like this. Bye.